Want to send a self-destructing photo on Telegram but not sure how it works? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it on both Android and iPhone, so you can send private photos that disappear after your friend opens them. By the end of this video, you'll know how to control who sees your photo, and for exactly how long, keeping your messages as private as you want. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open a private chat with the person you want to send your self-destructing photo to. On Telegram, self-destructing photos can only be sent in individual chats, not groups or channels. So just find your friend, tap their name, and open up the chat. This is important because it makes sure your disappearing photo only goes to that one person, not in a group or a public space. Next up, it's time to select the photo you want. At the bottom of your chat, look for the paperclip icon, that's the attachment button. On some phones, it might look like a little camera instead. Tap that and you'll see options to either pick a photo from your gallery or take a new one right now. If you're sending something from your camera roll, scroll and choose it. If you want to snap a fresh photo on the spot, just use the camera option. Don't worry if you change your mind, you can always back out and pick a different photo if you need to. Now here, where the magic happens. On Android, once you see the photo preview, look carefully near the send button. There should be a small stopwatch icon or a 1 icon, that's your self-destruct timer. Give it a tap. On iPhone, it works just a little differently. Instead of tapping the send button, press and hold it. This brings up the send with timer option. That might take a moment to find if you haven't used it before, so just pause for a second. It's that extra step to make sure you really want to send a disappearing photo. At this point, Telegram will ask you to pick how long the photo will be visible once your friend opens it. You get several choices like view once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds. Just think about how private the photo is and select a time that feels right for you. For example, if it's something sensitive or just meant as a quick surprise, maybe view once or 3 seconds is plenty. If you want them to have a better look, go with 10 or 30 seconds. You're in control here, and it's a really simple way to add some peace of mind. Once your duration is set, tap the send button like normal. You'll see your photo appear in the chat with a sort of blurry overlay and a little timer icon on top. That's how you'll know it's self-destructing. When your friend opens it, the timer will start counting down, and after your chosen time, poof, it's gone for good. It's just like those secret spy messages, except now you're the one with the self-destruct button. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to send a self-destructing photo on Telegram from any Android or iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Telegram trick you love to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.